Hello friends, welcome to Tricks and Learn. So today in this video we are going to see a complete review of Shivda's sample paper book review of CBSE class 12. I hope that everyone is safe now. So today I am going to unbox Shivda's sample paper book for CBSE class 12 term 1 board exam. So let's start the unboxing. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon and all option. Then only you will get the instant notification of my upcoming videos and latest CBSE updates for term 1 board exams. So finally we done the unboxing. Wow, the book is really good and the nice color they given and the nice protective sheet is very thick, and they given Shivda's books 20 OMR sample papers for physics, chemistry, mathematics and English core with hints and answers. In the back sides they given the available link for Amazon, Flipkart, their website, etc. and they given the affordable price only 400 rupees for 4 subjects. So now we can analyze inside the book. So in the very first page they given as in the first cardboard sheet as Shivda's books 20 plus OMR sample papers, and next they given about the book and the latest CBSE update and other useful content QR code. And for term 1 board exam they given 5 sample paper for each subject plus 1 sample paper as CBSE issued sample paper for physics, and they given the latest syllabus and etc. They given the question paper issued by CBSE sample question paper, and at the last they given the answer sheet, the official answer sheet, how do we want to enter the OMR sheets they given with general instructions, and at last they given hints and answers. So these hints and answers is very useful to analyze the OMR sheet and the answers. And they given their sample paper, so only 5 sample papers they given. So each sample paper at last they given the OMR sheet representation as well as hints and solutions. So likewise they followed for their 5 sample papers. So now we are going to analyze chemistry. So in chemistry also they followed the same rule of physics and other subjects, the new pattern, the latest syllabus released by CBSE, the deleted syllabus we told, right, that one they given. And they given the sample paper officially released by CBSE they given on 2nd September with OMR representation sheet and hints and answers at last they given. So for each subject they following this, and they given it is their sample paper also they given. So 5 sample papers theirs, and for 5 sample papers they given the questions, and at last they given the OMR sheet representing answers and hints and solutions to analyze. So it is very useful to self-analyzation. So now we are going to see max. So max also they given the latest syllabus, the new updates, and CBSE officially releases sample paper they given, and at last they given the answers with OMR sheet. So likewise they given 5 sample papers with answers and OMR sheets. So now we are going to analyze English core subject sample paper, and at first they given the new pattern, latest syllabus, etc. and the CBSE officially released sample paper they given. So all the books they given that CBSE released sample paper, and the answers with OMR sheet representation and hints and solutions is given, and the sample paper of theirs is given. So totally they given 5 sample papers. At last they given the solutions and OMR sheet for marking, and the main thing is at last they given self-practicing OMR sheets for self-evaluation they given. So there are 4 self-practicing OMR sheets, and we can able to tier it, and we can able to write as a model board exam, and we can able to self-evaluate. So that's all in this book. So we already unboxed Oswald Gurukul sample paper book, Educard sample paper book, and now we are unboxing Shivda's sample paper book. So totally 3 sample paper books we unboxed. So if you want to buy this sample paper book, you can buy the link given in the description box or in Amazon, Flipkart, anyway you can buy. So to compare this book with other book, you can able to check the other videos of unboxing my books and compare which book is best for you. So that's all friends. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and press the all icon. So thank you so much. Have a nice exam.